So you got an old iPad 2 or 3 and you can't download Netflix on your old iPad because it says it's not compatible or won't update. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it quick and easy. What you need to do is download it on your, say, your iPhone 7 or your iPhone 6 on your phone on that iCloud account, like on your cell phone or a home desktop. Once you do that, and then you sign into your iCloud account on your kid's iPad 2 or 3, what you would do is go to the App Store and go to purchased apps and then download it that way, because then it thinks that that iCloud is on this and it's capable of taking it. As you can see, it is now downloading it, and once it's done downloading, I'm gonna show you guys that it does work and you should be all set. As far as like that, because it won't let you do that, or the other way to do YouTube, you don't have to do what I just told you. As far as Netflix, you can go to Safari and then go to YouTube that way, and then save it to your desktop there's an option over there. Let me show you. We're gonna go to Safari. Wait, go back. All right, here's what you're gonna do to get YouTube. Safari, and then you're gonna close this out, what we have. Or what are you doing, adding it? Oh, we're gonna go to YouTube. We're gonna type it in. Try to show you guys this step by step. Once you got YouTube, you could save the icon on your desktop as, what is that called? Like, it just saves it, I think. We'll show you guys once it downloads. On your, and look for YouTube, then what you're gonna do is, go ahead, show everybody. You touch that button there, and then it says add to home screen. Hit the plus sign, add, and there you go. You got the icon on there. Can we show everybody it works? So then what you're doing is going to YouTube through Safari instead of downloading it from the App Store. And that's it. Download. I just want to show you guys that it does work. We hit the Netflix. And this is an iPad 2 or 3 to prove it. It's got the old charging port right there. And it's on there. And this is how you get it on there. Loading, loading. There it goes. So you got Netflix. And that's how easy it is. You don't need to upgrade to the newer iPads. They are still capable of playing Netflix and YouTube and stuff like that. You just got to know what you're doing, and this video helped you do that. So please give me a thumbs up at the end, and thanks for playing it. There you go, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.